3, 2, 1.
What kinds of rocks can change and become new types of rocks? The answer is B, any types of rocks. Which of the following compounds has a 1H resonance approximately 1.55 kHz away from TMS on a spectrometer with a 12.0 T magnet? The answer is B, CH3Cl. Preserve expensive lipstick. How would you do this? The answer is A, keep in closed drawer. Geologists group rocks based on how they what? The answer is D, form. Where does the British mythological creature Afanc live according to legend? The answer is B, in lakes. When was this branding first used? The answer is A, 1994. The pull the human planet space rock orbiter has on certain bodies of dihydrogen monoxide results in? The answer is B, water level fluctuations. The weight of an object changes at different locations on Earth, which is a measurement of weight. The answer is B, 16N. How can I make wood filler? How would you do this? The answer is A, combine sawdust with Elmer's glue. Why did the writer go to speak to an unemployment rep? The answer is B, because they are unemployed and need assistance. How to chop odd-shaped vegetables? How would you do this? The answer is A, cut off both leaves for an even surface. Until Jefferson City was built in 1826, St. Charles served as capital of which state? The answer is B, Missouri. Which is made with the help of bacteria? The answer is A, yogurt. When did the new design of the museum open? The answer is C, 2011. Why is the narrator considering a new computer? The answer is B, her MacBook is not working. How many hours a day does the parade run? The answer is D, 18. In what year did Notre Dame first have a facility in England? The answer is B, 1968. In what year did the least polled Americans support capital punishment? The answer is C, 1994. Why did Hava's mother pass away? The answer is C, none of the above choices. In the human body, What is the name of the structure that runs down the middle of the back? The answer is A. Spinal cord. In hertz, what is the frequency of mains electricity supply in the UK? The answer is C. 50. Scholars stated that there was already an existing settlement between two parties prior to which date? The answer is C. 1973. When was the first federal population census taken in the U.S.? The answer is C. 1790. The lady then uses scissors. We see the kid with his new haircut. The lady give the little boy a red balloon. What happens next? The answer is C. See the boy as he walks to the door. What year was St. Elizabeth born? The answer is D. 1421. Who is Carol to the narrator? The answer is D. Carol is the narrator's wife. Which was not a Louis Prima number? The answer is D. The mouse that roared. Who inspired Friends character Joey to become an actor? The answer is C. Al Pacino. The wavelength of a wave is the distance between corresponding points on what? The answer is A. Adjacent waves. The science called mimicology deals with the study of which of the following? The answer is A. Ants. What car is Jason killed in when it explodes in the 2007 movie Redline? The answer is A. Lamborghini Diablo. According to the Star Trek Voyager episode The 37s, what famous American pilot was abducted from Earth and left in stasis on an alien world? The answer is D. Amelia Earhart. As Archie walks to the park, he wonders which route would be faster. He decides to walk to the park using different routes and times how long it takes. Which should he do to make his comparison fair? The answer is C. Walk at the same speed each day. How many bombing raids were there during World War II? The answer is B. 88. Which youthful musician is/are associated with the 1980s albums Killing Joke and What's This For? The answer is C. Martin Youth Glover. Where is the 80s movie 48 HRS set? The answer is C. San Francisco. According to the Roman calendar, in which of these months did the Day of Ides fall on the same day as in March? The answer is A. May. When was the library destroyed? The answer is C. 1870. How do I know when whipped cream is whipped enough? How would you do this? The answer is A, when thinned and no peaks are forming. When was the Secretary of State Act introduced? The answer is A, 1946. How do you stop a cycle? How would you do this? The answer is A, don't do anything at all. In what year was King Henry VI deposed? The answer is B, 1440. How did she feel after he said what he said? The answer is D, she was glad the problem will be taken care of. Who portrayed motivational speaker Matt Foley on Saturday Night Live? The answer is A, Chris Farley. What type of class are they attending? The answer is A, a Taekwondo class. In which year was this football club in Lancashire established for which Joe Casher played? The answer is D, 1891. NBA superstar Dominique Wilkins played nearly his entire career for Atlanta. What other NBA teams did he also play for? The answer is D, Orlando, San Antonio, LA Clippers, and Boston. What is the state animal of the U.S. state of Montana? The answer is B, grizzly bear. What group do noble basses belong to? The answer is A, Group 18. What kind of car did Kolchak drive on Kolchak, the Night Stalker?